Here we go, boys. Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're gonna start to tear down the car and get it ready for the swap. First, we gotta jack up the car, take the exhaust off, take the transmission out, and then start pulling the motor. So let's get right into that. Alright, so we do have the car up on jack stands now. I believe there's enough room for me to fit under there, pull the trans. I also put some cement bricks under the front tires just in case. I mean, I have the jack stands and the floor jacks under the car as well, but they're not pressed against it, so it's just on the jack stands. But we also gotta do one more thing: shake the car, make sure it's not gonna fall anywhere, and now I'll see you right under there. So yeah, we gotta take this exhaust off from up here from the long tubes. So these bad boys right here will have to go. The rear end still looks good. I painted this with Pour 15. This is a before picture, and this is an after. And so that's what this thing is right here. It got 373s in it. It's an 8.8. We swapped out the 7.5. So yeah, let's get this exhaust out. Take the X pipe out first, then take the mufflers out, and then the rest of the exhaust back there. And then after that, we gotta pull this drive shaft and transmission. We got a bunch of other stuff we gotta pull out. So yeah, let's get to that. Let me go to our handy dandy toolbox right here and look for some 15s. 15 right here. Actually, you know what? We're gonna do this quick. We're gonna get the impact. Ah, my glove. Here we go, boys. Slide left, slide to the right. Not really. Yes, made it. I covered the GoPro.